Hi, I'm Kevin Mahoney, the founder of Illumint, and I'm in DC's Georgetown neighborhood today, thinking about how you might want to cover the cost of a major home improvement project. Let's assume that you're remodeling a kitchen or replacing your roof, both of which likely require more money than you have available in a savings account. If the cost isn't too high though, let's say under $12,000, you might first consider a new credit card that offers an extended interest-free period. In this case, just make sure you have a clear path to paying off the debt before the credit card terms become unfavorable for you. When a project will run you much more though, you're probably looking at an unsecured personal loan, a home equity loan, or a home equity line of credit. You typically can obtain a personal loan pretty quickly, but you'll probably get a higher interest rate than with a home equity loan. A personal loan still may be a good choice though if you don't have much equity in your home, or you can find a good offer from a credit union or alternative lending source. Now let's assume you have more than 25% equity in your house and you want to avoid refinancing your mortgage. A home equity loan essentially functions as a second mortgage that provides you with a lump sum at a fixed interest rate. As with your first mortgage, the loan may include closing costs and fees, but you also may be able to deduct the interest that you pay. With a line of credit, as with your credit card, you'll typically get revolving access to funds. You only pay interest when you borrow, not on the entire line of credit. And the initial interest rate also may be lower than on a home equity loan. But in exchange, you'll get a variable rate that can generate higher monthly payments in a rising rate environment. You can draw on the line of credit for 10 to 15 years, and then you begin to repay the principal borrowed over the next 15 years. Clearly, there are a lot of factors at play here. So start with this. Meet with several contractors and really try to lock down the project cost and timeline. Then also evaluate your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable leveraging your home equity? And are you willing to bet on interest rate movements? The answers to these questions may make your decision more straightforward than you anticipated.